Hey y'all, Danielle from the Napa RCD here to talk to you about these tiny microscopic creatures called plankton that are found right here in our wetlands. Don't let their size fool you though, they have a ton to offer our world. They actually form the base of our food web, providing nourishment for hundreds of species throughout the Napa River watershed. So there are two types of plankton. One is called phytoplankton, and they perform photosynthesis, creating clean air. And they're like little plants floating around in the water. Floating around with them are the other type of plankton called zooplankton, and they're like little animals in the water, and they eat other plankton. These tiny but mighty creatures are really neat because they are able to float at the perfect depth in the water. Plankton have to avoid sinking too deep in the water because all of their energy and food sources are near the surface of the water. However, if they float too close to the surface of the water, the sun's heat can actually burn them. So they're neither too light nor too heavy. They are perfect little plankton. So in this activity, go ahead and try to build that perfect plankton that's able to float at that perfect depth. So just a plankton that doesn't sink too deep or too fast, and one that isn't just right at the surface of the water. So go ahead, grab a container of water and any materials around your home that you think would help you build a plankton. Things like sponges, maybe corks, clay, toothpicks, beads, pipe cleaners, anything like that. You could actually try to draw a model of your plankton first in your nature journal using the provided plankton images as inspiration. And then once you are ready, go ahead and test your plankton 3 times to get the most accurate readings. And keep track of your trials in your nature journal. Have fun, be creative, and go ahead and check out the other videos and activities to learn more about our wetlands.